Alright, in this video we are going to figure out what happens whenever we add or subtract numbers or values outside the absolute value bars. So we have our standard f of x equals the absolute value of x graphed right here. The vertex is in the center, 0, 0, the origin. And now let's use our animation in this website that I found. We could adjust the d value, and in the formula, d values being the number that is outside the absolute value bars. So basically, if we change d to a positive 1, it's the same thing as adding 1 to your original function. If we change it to 2, it's adding 2, 3, adding 3, and so on. If we change it to a negative number, it's subtracting. So like in this case, d is negative 3, so we're subtracting 3 from the absolute value. So if we move around this variable a little bit, we realize that whenever we're adding numbers on the outside, our graph shifts up. If we're subtracting, it looks like it shifts down. So let's go back to our original problems. We've got g of x here, and I will highlight that in red. And since we're subtracting 4, it looks like we're going to have to shift down 4. So from our center, we go down 1, 2, 3, 4, and graph up this way. Our slope is going up 1 over 1, so that doesn't change at all. Just shifting it down 4. Okay, there we go. Now let's graph our h of x function. Change that to blue. Use our line tool, and now because we're adding 3, we're going to have to shift up 3. So from our center, 0, 0, we go up 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to graph this way. Okay, we can drop our line there. Whoops, that's not correct. You got to use the right slope here, up 1 over 1. Alright, now again, from the vertex we go up this way, and there's our line. So from the green one, we subtract 4, so we shift down. From the green one, when we add 3, we're going to shift up 3. That's all what happens when you add and subtract outside the absolute value bars.